Write a Java program illustrating multiple catch classes. Here, this syntax here, try code that may throw exceptions. Means sometimes the try block contains more than one exception. To handle more than one exception, we need the more than one catch class here. Catch exception type 1 E1, handle exception type 1. Catch exception type 2 E2, handle exception 2. Catch exception type 3 E3, handle exception 3. Means whenever there are the more than one error is there, then we will write the more than one catch class here. Here the always the more important, the more specific catch classes will be printed at the beginning. The general form of the catch classes they are printed at the ending here. Especially class exception and leave. That is printed at the ending only. Right. Come to the code here. Integer, public class, multiple catch, example. Public static void one try. In the try block, I wrote the code here. This is the try block here. In the try block, this is the try block. In the try block, I wrote the code here. Integer numbers equals to 1 to 3. The numbers is the array which contains 3 elements only. System.out.println accent element at index 5. Number of 5. Observe this one here. We are having only 3 elements only 0, 1 and 2 only. But we are asking numbers of 5 here. The index 5 is not available. There is an exception. Whenever there is an exception, it will the control will move to the exception will be sent to the array index out of bounds exception. This will be handled. We are getting the answer as system.out.println array index out of bounds exception will be caught here. We will get this answer. And we will get the e dot get message is nothing but we will get the reason why this error has been occurred. See this one here. We will get the answer like this one. Array index out of bounds exception. Caught index 5 out of bounds for length of 3. The numbers contains only 3 elements, but we are asking the index 5 element. And this is the error. Right. Next. In this one, integer result equals 10 by 0. Actually, what is 10 by 0? Infinity. Whenever there is an exception, this will be thrown to the arithmetic exception. Why? Because it comes from arithmetic exception. We will get the answer as the arithmetic exception called e dot get message. Its meaning is the we can get the divide by 0 error here. Catch null point exception e here. See this one here, string str equals to null. The str data is the null here. System.out.println str dot length. We are having the empty string, but we are finding length here. It will throw a null pointer exception. It will go this one here, null pointer exception. And finally, we are having the exception class. Always the exception E class is pointed are the ending only. Why? Because this is the general exception. If you observe this one here, in the try block, even though we are having the more than one exception, the control will throw, means the try block will throw only the single exception only. Here actually we are having the index out of bounds as well as the division by 0 and null point exception. But it is showing the first exception only. Here that to handle the more than one exception, we are having that is the throw method. I will explain later about the throw method. Throw system.out.println program continues after exception. This is the output here. This is the output.